Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins at the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans were down modestly, unable to follow through on their firm start to Thursday's session. The trade continues to wait for any export news, especially connected to China. But with the federal government shutdown right now, that information is very hard to come by. And it looks like the weekly export sales numbers will not be released on Friday morning, again because of a lack of funding. Export inspections will continue as funding permits, though. Corn ended the session modestly higher on an oversold bounce, continuing to keep an eye out for export news there as well. And both corn and soybeans continue to watch South America, with more dry weather expected in parts of Brazil and wet conditions expected in parts of Argentina. Wheat closed mostly steady to modestly higher, also keeping an eye on the expected harvest delays in parts of Argentina that could eventually lead to increased export demand for U.S. wheat. Still, the fundamental outlook is bearish, and that's going to limit the upside. Live and feeder cattle closed solidly higher, getting ready for the week's widespread direct cash cattle business. A lot of the support was tied to commercial buying on solid beef demand expectations. And hogs were mixed, mostly lower on spread trade and demand uncertainties. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.